Hello everyone, James McKinney here, and I just wanted to do a quick editorial on how to assemble the lightweight rucksack. Step 1, grab your frame. Step 2, turn it over like this. Step 3, your outside straps. They go vertical. Push it up through the outside bracket like so. Repeat the process on the other side. Okay, next step. Grab your long strap for the vertical side. All right. Now, look here underneath this frame. All right. Now, push it through that bracket. Pull it through the loop. All right. Now, run it through here and cinch it down. This is the better way to do it. Like so. Now we want to repeat the same process on the other side. Make sure you're on the outside bracket. Okay. Pull through. All right, now your center vertical strap. It goes right in the middle of these two brackets right here. Now you'll see this clamp right here on the underneath. It goes in between there and the center bar. Tighten that down like so. Alright, now we're moving to the horizontals. This will be your top horizontal. Okay. Now, check this out. You got the two little clamps right here. You're going to squeeze this so it goes in between like so. Do that on the other side. Okay. Now, cinch it down. Okay. Now, on later rucksacks, you had a horizontal center strap, but if you have a rucksack made prior to 1968, you will not have this. All right. Same process. Squeeze like that in between the two brackets. Cinch it down. Alright, now this is your waist strap, and how it goes on here. See this? Thread this in like so, pull it through, do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now we're going to flip this over and we're going to thread this through here. Strap's a little stiff, no problem. Alright, now you see that? There goes your lumbar strap. Alright, onto the straps, shoulder straps. Now, look at these two brackets. Alright, now your shoulder straps are going to be directional. So, push this through here and cinch it down like so. Cool. There we go. Alright, do the same thing for the other side. We're going to flip the frame over. Alright, now here goes our quick release side. Alright, now feed it through the horn like that. Pull it through. There you go, that's all we're looking for. Here's how it works. Put this over this like that. Pull your quick release through. Snapped. There goes your quick release strap. Alright, here goes your non-quick release strap. You're going to pull this through like this. And thread it through. Alright, your straps are done. See that? That's everything except for the main pack assembly. Alright, this is your main pack. Alright, check this out. See, in between this strap and the center strap, we're going to place this strap. And see this little hanger right here? We're going to pull it through there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. That's what clamps it down on the center bar. Alright, we're going to pull them through the other side. Now, you see what I did here? Cool. Alright, now this pulls over the bottom bar. And you thread it through. Same on the other side. Sometimes these old straps don't want to pull through, but you'll get it eventually. Alright, now cinch these up. Now, voila, you have a fully assembled lightweight rucksack.